Hello, this is Tim Goff of Tim's Computer Repairs coming at you with yet another computer repair job. On this job, I was working on a ROG ZEPHYRUS XOTICPC, and on this job I had to remove the battery that was no longer charging and replace it with the new battery, which I have already done, and you can see it's at 51% charge. 40 minutes until fully charged, and as you can tell, I unplugged the charger and the battery is keeping the laptop running. This will be another satisfied customer for Tim's Computer Repairs because this job was done in no time flat. So again, this has been Tim of Tim's Computer Repairs. I am out until the next service job.